Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome back to day 7 of Phil
Indy's
Travel Spree aboard the MSC Seascape on the Melanin at Sea 2.0 group cruise. Now today we haven't really done much, haven't really vlogged a lot. Today we've been just kind of taking it easy. The only thing that we got into today, we were invited to a private cocktail party, and it was just kind of MSC's way of thanking us for selling MSC again, because if you know, we've sold the MSC Meraviglia in the past, and so they passed out some free drinks, some champagne, and then they introduced to us some of the staff that works on board. We got a chance to hear the captain speak, and then he also gave a toast at the end, and it was really nice, really quick, but definitely enjoyed the free champagne. But right now, we're actually getting ready to head to Melanin at Sea's biggest event of the cruise, and that's the Melanin at Sea 50 Shades of Melanin cocktail party. So if you've never been on the Melanin at Sea group cruise, you know that the drinks will be flowing, the music is going to be playing, everybody's going to be dancing, having a great time. So we're getting ready to head up to deck 8 to the Uptown Lounge and get our groove on. Make sure you stay tuned.
It has definitely been a pleasure to learn about you, your family, your lives. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for representing well for us.
And
I did, but it wasn't a good picture.
ice cream.
Alaska? Make Alaska?
Yeah, we can do that. Let's do the baked Alaska.
And for you, sir?
I'm gonna get the. It's called lobster bisque.
Lobster beef?
And then we're gonna do the lobster tail. And can I do the roll cake with the coffee ice cream?
No coffee tonight.
No, ain't no coffee ice cream tonight. Oh man. Okay. Let's do the roll cake then.
Can I have the filet mignon? The Caesar salad?
This is salad, okay. And for dessert?
The cheesecake?
Cheesecake with caramel. And for it?
Do y'all have hot dog?
Hot dog, yes.
Okay, we'll do the hot dog and the fries. And vanilla ice cream. So, Spreezy's, we just left the Melanin SC cocktail mixer, one of the final events of the cruise. We still have one more. And let me tell you, there was drinks flowing, chips flowing, people laughing and dancing and singing and all of the above. Pictures taken, time was had. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? But no, in all seriousness, it was a great event. All of the cousins got together. All of the cousins loving on each other. People walking by trying to see what's going on. What private event is this? Who are these people? We are Melanin SC. Like it's just a feeling you get to know that like we can all come together and cruise and have a good time, and even when other people don't know what's going on or people can be rude. It's been a lot of rude people on the ship, but to know like when you pass a cousin, it's all love. It's hey cousin, how you doing? All of that. It's been great. It's been a great time. We got one more event to wrap up everything, but today was great.
But before I go, can I hear you? Give it up one more time for the amazing restaurant team!
Y'all, we're getting closer and closer to that most dreadful part about cruising. We're all packed up, bags are already outside, ready to go. But we've got one more final event for Melanin at Sea, because tonight is not over. We're getting ready to head downstairs to deck 7 to say our farewells and our goodbyes, and we're just gonna live it up one last time with the people of Melanin at Sea. So of course we'll bring you along, and then we'll come back and close it out and give you guys our final goodbye. See you there. that's going to go ahead and wrap it up for the MSC Seascape on the Melanin at Sea 2.0 group cruise. Like, this cruise has been so much fun. We made a lot of new friends, a lot of new memories. Cache, we hope you had a real good time here with your crazy godparents, and hopefully you're willing to do it again. To the phenomenal hosts, Rich and Jazzy, Addie and Terry, thank you so much for putting this together. There were so many memories made. There were so many laughs, so many good times. Like, this honestly really didn't even seem like a 7-day cruise with as much fun as we had. Like, this 7 days just totally just flew by. But it's about that time to go ahead and get off the ship, head back to Texas. But until next time, we'll see you guys later. Peace.